What is going on, everyone? It is Mark here with another video, and I'm just making a quick video to let you guys know that there's new cases. So a few videos ago, I reviewed a case from RhinoShield that included the case, the bumper, the shield, the screen protector, additional lenses, lens adapters, all that stuff. And in lieu of something, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, World Cup, soccer, football, that's where they kick balls around on a grass field and get it into net. And in lieu of that, they have released a whole bunch of soccer team or country inspired suitcases and mod cases. Anyways, so I just wanted to make a quick video and show you what they had available. A lot more is on the website, not just this kind of stuff, but let me show you real quick. So for me personally, I was repping for the motherland here, right? That's Poland for me. We're not going to talk about the outcome of those games. Nonetheless, I will show you what these cases look like, why they are so cool, and why you might be interested in picking one up just to support the country that you're going for. If you're not familiar, I'll link a link, of course, down in the description where I actually review these cases in full. Here's the case. This is the Solidsuit. They also do come in mod. I'll just go over the difference quickly in just a second. For sake of example, I'm going to show you guys on the Poland one. Again, don't talk about the outcome. What it is basically is a Solidsuit case, the classic black one, where in the bottom right corner you have the flag of whatever nationality you want, and the buttons are also adjusted accordingly to the color scheme of that country. Just to show you how awesome these cases are, I'm gonna put my iPhone 10, they do come in multiple phones obviously, I'm gonna put that in here, and the way these cases fit over your phone, it's literally like a glove. It's amazing, it's perfect fit, there's no loose ends, it's very tight. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to your phone at all, yet you get the protection, your camera bump is covered, your screen also covered, you can lay it flat down and nothing is in the way. Anyways, so basically what these cases entail is a flag, bottom right corner, and adjusted custom buttons there. And it's just a nice gentle touch just to show your support for that team. Not only is the Solidsuit case nationality or World Cup series inspired, so are the mod cases. The mod cases is something I'm a huge fan of, but it's basically a similar idea where the accents of the case represent the nationality that you are cheering for. So this one here, for example, is black, yellow, and red. This is for someone who's supporting Germany, right? So you just have the nice yellow and red accent. Bumper case, awesome stuff. So let me show you how to put this on. You remove the rim, you quickly slide that in, and you reinstall the rim, and everything's locked into place, and now you have an awesome bumper case. And what's great about the mod cases is that actually in the back here, they actually include a clear back plate with the country in the corner there. So very similar, except you come with a clear case. You got Germany there. It's a very nice touch. And if you're interested in having this back plate in, all you have to do is remove the rim and install the back plate very easily. And you just went from having a bumper case to a full-blown case. Anyway, so I just wanted to make a very quick video about what's going on, what they do have in stock here. Let me just go through a bunch of teams that they actually did send me. They got Argentina, Spain, Poland, the motherland. We got Sweden, Brazil, Portugal, Germany, England. And in the mod cases, they of course have a huge assortment, but I've got France here and Germany, and just look at this pile. The options are there. Anyways, I just wanted to make a quick video about showing you guys what they had in stock and what they have kind of going on right now. Anyways, if you like that video, please hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons down below. And for additional brownie points, please follow me on all my social media. Links can be found in the description. And just for the last little tidbit, I would like to thank again to RhinoShield for sending out all of these. I will be actually contacting a few people through my Instagram and seeing if they have an iPhone 10, and if so, I will be more than happy to share my wealth of cases here. I also got a few extra from the last RhinoShield kind of care package that they sent. Anyways, I'm going to be reaching out to a few people, basically random followers, and touching base with them there. So thank you again, RhinoShield. Thank you again for watching. And I hope the team that you're rooting for wins the World Cup, because mine unfortunately scores on themselves and loses very poorly. Anyways, not the point of the story. I'll see you on the next one.